Let's see it, please. Wow, I got back just in time. It's raining now. I did see a funnel cloud over Tech City. It was more than halfway down, but I suspect it went back up. It was behind Lowe's. Look at that. Oh boy. The porch is already flooding? Are you kidding? I mean, it's coming down. And some lady and an old man were walking their dog when they were passing in front of my house just as it started to sprinkle. And the lady just pulls out an umbrella. She got that moth right there. He's trying to get out the... There he is. He's trying to get out the way of the rain. She pulls out an umbrella and keeps on walking. And the old man, he didn't have no umbrella. Wow. Kind of windy. I'll be glad when all this rain is over with. I mean, there's thousands of people homeless now in the Houston area, all around the Houston area. I ain't that far myself from Houston. I think the road sign says 39 miles. I just don't remember. It's something like that. It's not all that far away. I'm just outside of Galveston, Tech City area. Yeah, it's coming down out there. Saw right here on Let's See It Please. Look at that rain. Oh my goodness. What can you do? What can you do? Saw some good lightning strikes. Wow. I'm gonna go back to eating my McGriddle.